Today we're gonna introduce Wob Nishi Umeda. This is entrance lobby. The unit is on 4th floor. Once you step in the room, you'll see this big closet. And this shoe closet as well. Be able to put the laundry machine here. One of the best points of this unit is this big and luxury bathroom. Moreover, you can watch TV. A big closet is here. Thanks to this window wall, inside of the unit is always bright and feel comfortable. Going through the door, you'll see this luxury living room. Be able to put books, jewelry, bags, whatever you want. If you love to cook, you must love this big kitchen. 3 stoves and grill. Dishwasher is here. You can see Umeda Sky Building from this room. If you love this video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe this channel.